This video will show you how to hide reservation rate details from the check-in or reservation card. Hotelogix lets you hide rate details from the check-in card in case the booker does not wish to share pricing details with the guest. Note: the rate details are hidden by default in case the reservation is either for a travel agent or a corporate. Let us see how. Right, click the reservation you wish to check in. Click Check in the context menu that appears. The check-in card is displayed in a new window. Click the Hide Price button. Note that the rate details are now hidden from the check-in card. You can also click the Print button in case you want to print the card. Click the Close button to close the card. Alternatively, left-click a reservation. The reservation panel opens up. Click Print Reservation Card in the panel. The check-in card opens up. Now click Hide Price. This brings us to the end of the video on how to hide reservation rate details from the check-in or reservation card.